Hello student, today we are going to study about laws of motion chapter 3 class 9th. Okay, first topic is what is force. A force is an agent which try or try change not try change or try to change the state of the body or change shape and size, means dimension of the body. Okay, there are two types of force in our book. There are two types of force. One is contact force and other is non-contact force. Okay, first of all we will study about this contact force. The force which are applied on a body by making a physical contact with them is known as contact force. Okay, example frictional force. Frictional force always a contact force. When two body are in contact and try to move over them, then frictional force applied on it. Normal reaction force, reactional force, tension, tensional force, spring force, and so many force which are in contact force. First of all, we will study about frictional force. Frictional force. Frictional force are the types of force when two bodies are overlap on each other and one body are trying to have intention to move, then the frictional force applied on it opposite to the intention of motion of a body. That is, where this is a table and this is book which are present on the table. Book, when we apply force on this book in this direction, then the body, the intention of body moves in the direction of force. This is intention of motion of a body. Then the frictional force applied on this table opposite to the intention of force, means the frictional force applied opposite to the intention of force, this which is opposite frictional force. This frictional force oppose the motion of this body, always oppose the motion of this body, means this book. Okay, why the frictional force occur? Because there is a rough surface which interlock the book and the table so that it opposes the motion of the book, and this opposing force is known as frictional force, which is always opposite to the intention of motion, means in the opposite direction of motion of a body. Okay, second point is normal force. normal reaction force. Normal reaction force suppose that this is a table and there is a book on it, then the gravitational force applied on a book, and due to the mass it always towards the center in vertically downward direction, mg, this is gravitational force. Then there is two body. When the book applied this force on the table, then the table also applied the force equal to this force on the book in opposite direction. Okay, and this force, upward force, which is opposite to this action force, this is called reaction. And this reaction always occur when the two bodies are in contact. If two bodies are not in contact, then reaction force will not occur. Okay, this is reactional force. Is it clear? Which is equal to the actional force. Clear. Now the third is tensile force. All these are contact force. Tensile force. The tensile force always occur in the string due to the force applied applied in a string of the intermolecules of the string. Okay, suppose that this is a block have mass m and a string is tied on one side. This is a string. When the force applied on this direction, then there is a force applied inside the fiber of this string, which is opposite to each other. This force applied in the molecules of this string, this force is known as tensional force. Means tensional force always occur in the string due to the elastic force within the fiber of the string, and this elastic force applied in the string in the opposite direction. When this molecules of this string fiber apply in this direction, then these molecules apply in opposite direction. Means action and reaction force applied in the molecules of the string, and this action and reaction force is known as tension force. Okay, now we are going to study about non-contact force. Non-contact force. Non-contact force experienced by a body even without being physically touched, means without any contact. When the force applied on a body is known as non-contact force. Example: non-contact force, contact force. Example: first, gravitational force. Second, electrostatic force. Third, magnetic force. All these are non-contact force. Gravitational force, the force applied between the sun and the earth without any contact, is known as gravitational force, and which is directly depend upon the mass, product of mass of the two body. If this body one have m1 mass and other has m2 mass, this mass apply force on this body in this direction, and this mass apply force on this body in this direction, and this gravitational force directly proportional to the product of m1 into m2. Okay, and inversely proportional to the distance between them. This is the distance between the r, means inversely proportional to distance between the square of distance between them. Okay, example, a ball placed on a table start rolling down when the table is tilted. Second, if a body is thrown up in air, it goes up, reaches a height, and then return to the ground. Why return to the ground? Because gravitational force applied on it, and it attract toward the center. A coin fall down when it is released at a height. Okay, and second is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force means this force always occur in the charged body, means as you know about the charge, positive and negative charge. When two same charge apply are near to each other, then these two charges repel each other. This force go this direction and this charge go in this direction, repel each other. Like charge repel each other and opposite charge attract each other. Means the force in between the charged body is known as electrostatic force. Is it clear? Example, when a comb is rubbed on dry hair, it get charged. If this comb is brought near to the small bit of paper, opposite charge are induced on the bits of the paper, and they being to move toward the comb. Okay, and other is magnetic force. Magnetic force is also non-contact force, which is applied in between the magnet. The two like poles are repel each other, means north repel each other, south repel each other, and unlike poles are attract each other. Okay, two general character of non-contact force is that the gravitational force always attractive force, means this force, gravitational force, always attractive. Okay, but this electrostatic and the magnetic, either it is attractive or repulsive. If like charge or like poles are present, then there is only repulsion, and if unlike charges are present near to each other, then there is only attraction. Okay, and the magnitude of non-contact force on two bodies depend upon the distance of separation between them. Is it clear? It is inversely proportional to the distance between them. Non-contact, if the distance between the two charge or two pole or two mass are very small, then the magnitude of non-contact force is high, because inversely proportional. This one is in small, then this force is maximum. And if the separation of the two mass or charge or poles are maximum, then the force, means non-contact force, is minimum. Okay, we will study in next video Newton's laws of motion and inertia. Okay, thank you.